Yeah, so we're back. This isn't that long after, it's only about 6-7 minutes. The last video I remember ended at 29 seconds or something. And roughly now we're at about 17:37. And you can hear them banging and the kids screaming above. Obviously I think I might have just said, but their TV's still on. But it has only been a few minutes. Since the last video at least. I'll just make this a short one, it's a little follow-up only. Literally in the 2.5 years that I've reported this, nothing has improved at all. We're still dealing with this on a daily basis. And like I said, it's summer holidays now, so it's going to be really bad, because what normally happens is the resident upstairs, they go out in the mornings and then they won't come back until about 3-4 o'clock. And then the weekends are, sometimes Saturday might be like 10 hours of this kind of noise, intermittently throughout the day. So basically now that people are on holiday for 6 weeks, I know that it's going to be like the weekend. So this is how it's going to be.